Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a cool poster on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to adjust it to a 3:4 frame ratio here, and I'm just going to bring this down a little bit. And you can like crop it. Let me just crop it actually. Confirm that, and let's adjust the scale. There we go. I'm actually just gonna make it a little bit smaller than the frame here, and then I'll add in like a white background. You can add in any background color you'd like. Then I'm just going to copy and paste that, and then on the first one I'll just go to backgrounds and I'll select like a color. If I can just find it down here, you can add any color you want. I'll just add this like orange one on top. And then I might like mask it to the person here, so I'll just add mask. Then go back to basic, and you're just going to kind of like find like a really cool blend mode. Kind of like this darkened one, and I also like the screen one. Just kind of like adjust it to your liking. I like the hard light one actually. Then you add this one on top, and I'm just going to scale it down, but I'm going to select remove background. And I'm just gonna place it like, I guess like down here. Like right about here. And like if you want to, you can like add a different color to that. Might make it a little bit bigger. Okay, not that big. And then you can like add in like text and stuff like that if you'd like to here. I don't know if I could do that, but that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.